Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. In this class we are going to discuss about the contributions of Roman geographers in the field of geography. Okay, the Roman geographers were Strabo, Ptolemy, Solinus and Pomponius Mela. Okay, if you are new in my class, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And okay, let's start the class. Overview: Roman geographers thought, practical outlook. Romans were more practical and philosophical, primarily concerned with commercial and administrative problems and plans for military conquest. Geography is a tool. Knowledge of geography was necessary for effective administration and trade. Hence, they contributed to historical and regional geography. Key contributions: Romans made major contributions to historical geography and regional geography, building upon the foundations laid by Greek scholars. Limited scientific advances during Roman ascendance AD 200 to 700, geography witnessed a decline. Romans contributed little to scientific knowledge during this phase. Okay, first of all, Strabo, 64 BC to 24 AD. He is a Greek-Roman scholar and also known as father of regional geography. He is a great historian as well as geographer. His work is mainly historical, attempts to highlight the relation between history and geography. Contributions of Strabo, father of regional geography, replaced artificial political divisions with national boundaries, mountains, rivers, etc. His Geographica established the model of regional description. Geographica, his major work, compiled all then known knowledge of mathematical, physical, political and historical geography in one comprehensive general treatise. Historical memoir, his second notable work, combining historical narrative with geographic description of regions. Geography as chronological science, first to declare geography as chronological science, stressing the relationship between history and geography. Limitations: not under outstanding in mathematical physical geography, saw Earth as an oblong and compiled volcanic and sea level scenes data. Okay, then Ptolemy, AD 90 to 168. He is a Greco-Roman writer of Alexandria. He is a mathematician, astronomer, as well as poet and geographer. Contributions of Ptolemy, the Almagest, the Synthesis. His earliest work, a great contribution to classical astronomy, deals with the mathematical theory of motion of sun, moon, and planets. The geography deals with map projection theory, catalogs of places with latitudes and longitudes, briefly describes each continent, country and tribe. Graticule of latitude and longitude, major cartographic contribution, use of graticule and mathematical construction of projection for his maps. Gangetic Gulf, Bay of Bengal, he plotted the Gangetic Gulf, Bay of Bengal for the first time, highly significant for the geography of South Asia. Terra Australis Incognita, declared the Indian Ocean a closed sea, prolonged the concept of Terra Australis Incognita, probably borrowed from Hipparchus. Minor works, the Optics and the Tetrabiblos, dealing with reflection and refraction and astronomy respectively. Then Solinus and Pomponius Mela. Solinus, 250 AD, General Geographical Accounts, gave a general geographical account of the world. Collective Rerum Memorabilium, major work, tried to collect all the wonderful things of the world and the geographical framework in which they were set. Plagiarist criticism, has been described as a plagiarist of Pliny, Distura Naturalis, and Pomponius Mela, not an original contributor. Okay, Pomponius Mela, 335 to 391 AD, last important geographer and historian of the ancient Roman period, last to recognize geography's value, last among the ancients to recognize the value of geography in relation to history and defense. Geography and defense, uniquely linked geography to military and national defense, a strategic and practical approach that characterized Roman thought. Okay, the Dark Age of Geography, AD 22 AD 700, 500 years of decline following Ptolemy's death. Decline of scientific knowledge, the period of decline of scientific knowledge and meteorology is called the Dark Age. Geography witnessed a severe decline in its development. Domination of religion dominated the minds of people. People were not allowed to raise scientific questions by the church. Roman ascendance and law output. It was the time of Roman ascendance. Romans contributed little to scientific knowledge during this period. Flat earth with Jerusalem at center. Concept developed at Greek in Roman times were received to confirm the such teaching. Thus, earth became a flat disk with Jerusalem at its center. This is a comparison table. Geographer, period, keywords, and main contribution and note. Strabo, 640 BC to 24 AD. Geographical and historical memory, father of regional geography, first to declare geography as chronological science. This is an important topic. Okay, who declared geography as chronological science? Answer will be Strabo. Ptolemy, AD 90 to 168, the Almagest, the geography. Map projection, Graticule, Bay of Bengal, Terra Australis Incognita. Solinus, 250 AD, collective rerum, memorabilium, general geographical accounts called a plagiarist of Pliny and Pomponius Mela. Pomponius Mela, 335 to 391 AD, last important ancient geographer, linked geography to history and defense. Okay, Strabo, father of regional geography, used national boundaries, not political units. Ptolemy defined geography as science which deals with the art of map making. Ptolemy first plotted the Gangetic Gulf, Bay of Bengal. Solinus, plagiarist, copies from Pliny, the Historia Nationalis, and Pomponius Mela. Pomponius Mela, last important ancient geographer, linked geography to history and defense. Dark Age, that is AD 200 to 700, 500 years period. Such suppressed science, art is flat disk, Jerusalem at the center. Romans, practical orientation, administration, trade and military conquest, not scientific inquiry. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.